Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video in which I'll be unboxing a new product from GSK. The product that we are going to unbox today is the Otrivin Breathe Clean Isotonic Nasal Spray. So this is a daily nasal wash from Otrivin, and this is the product that we are going to unbox today. And going ahead, I'm going to tell you all what all comes in this box and maybe how to use it as well. So stay tuned for it, and let's go ahead and unbox this product. So guys, this is the new Otrivin Daily Nasal Wash from GSK, which is the brand. So you can see the branding here, the GSK branding here. This is the box in which it comes. So this is a completely packed box which I purchased for Otrivin. The name of the spray is Otrivin Breathe Clean Daily Nasal Wash. So basically it's an isotonic nasal spray which works to wash away all the pollutants and germs from the nose. So with the pandemic happening right now, this is a right time for GSK to actually launch the new Otrivin Breathe Clean Nasal Spray, because everyone is looking out for new hygienic products which can help them keep the germs away, and this is the right timing for them to launch it. So I definitely feel it is a good strategy from GSK to launch a nasal spray at such a time where it has become so important to maintain good hygiene. So yeah, coming back to the product. So this is the box. You can see the GSK branding here, and then the Otrivin branding here. Otrivin Breathe Clean Isotonic Nasal Spray. Then here it's written that it's a daily nasal wash which washes away pollutants and germs from the nose, and it contains natural glycerin. So this is the USP, that it contains natural glycerin in it. And then they have an illustration here of a person using the Otrivin nasal spray. Okay, moving on to the sides of the box. Okay, here they have given us the storage information. Store at an ambient room temperature, avoid excessive heat, do not expose it to extreme temperatures. So general storage instructions given here. Then there's a warning given here which says keep away from sunlight, do not keep it in sunlight. It's a pressurized container, may burst if it is heated. So yeah, keep it away from sunlight and flames. Keep it out of reach from children. It's a gamma radiated product. Moving on, they have given you the manufacturing license number, manufactured by which company, marketed by GlaxoSmithKline. And further below, they are giving you the manufacturing date. See the manufacturing date, the expiry date, the price of the product, and the net volume is given here. So coming to the net volume of this product is 100 ml. You receive 100 ml of nasal spray in this, and the cost is rupees 335. So that is the cost of the product for 100 ml of the nasal wash. Moving on to the other side, we have directions of use, as in how to use the product. So there are 4 simple steps given here. First of all, like blow your nose if necessary. If you have a stuffy nose, make sure you blow your nose before using the product. Next thing is remove the cap of the spray. Then point number 2 says if the spray has not been used for a long time, make sure you spray it in the air first before you use it. Using the opposite hand, delicately insert the nozzle in the nostril, aiming the pupil of the eye on the same side, and spray briefly for 2-3 seconds and allow the solution to trickle down. Repeat the same in the other nostril. Okay, so they are given an illustration of what is correct and what is wrong. So we will do another video and show you basically how to use the spray. So stay tuned for that as well. Moving on, allow the product. So after you spray, allow the product to act for a few seconds. Do not blow your nose because you will remove the spray out again. Basically, whatever isotonic nasal spray that you sprayed inside your nose, you blow it out. It's all gone to waste, right? You need to allow the solution to work inside to get rid of the germs, right? Allow it to work for a few seconds. Do not blow your nose for a few seconds. If necessary, if you feel that there's a lot of solution trickling down, you can just wipe it off with a tissue. After each use, and in case if the nozzle is blocked, clean the nozzle with a clean tissue. And lastly, do not use any chemical materials or dishwashing liquid or disinfectant to clean the nozzle of the spray. Okay. If we look here, it says this product is suitable for kids 2 years and above. So this product is suitable for toddlers as well, but do not try using it for infants below 2 years. So avoid using it in children below 2 years. Moving on to the other side, we have the composition. So it says Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. So what does it contain? It contains Samudra Lavana. Oh, what a big name. Okay, which means sodium chloride in short. Then the excipients. Product contains inert nitrogen, which is used as an aerosol propellant, and it contains natural glycerine. So two main ingredients are sodium chloride and there's glycerine in it. What does it do? It gently cleanses the nasal cavities and opens any blockages and gets rid of any germs which are present in there. So if you're having any nasal congestion or something, and to decongest your nasal, you should definitely give this thing a try. It will help you to easily get your nose unblocked. Okay, what does it do? It washes away the excess mucus or the allergen particles like dust and pollen which might have settled in your nose. So it will help you to get rid of that. It will soothe the irritated nasal passages due to cold and all the dust around. Our nasal passages tend to get irritated and we feel like an itch. So this will help us to soothe that itch, and it will take away the irritation. It will moisturize the nasal mucosa, the inner part of the nose, and it is suitable for daily nasal cleaning. Like we brush daily, we should also clean our nose daily, and we can use this nasal spray to keep our nose clean on a daily basis. Like this will help to clear your nose as well as get rid of all the pollutants and the germs present in the nose. Now, what is a caution that we should take before we use it? So they are saying that you should read the instructions carefully before you use it. Avoid using the product if you are prone to any allergy to any of the ingredients of the product. Do not use a product if it is expired. Definitely we won't use it if it is expired. And if the product is damaged, do not use it. Do not use if temper seal is broken. So whenever you buy it, make sure that the product is sealed. You can see there's a GSK seal here on this, right? So do not buy a product if it is not sealed, if that seal is broken. Coming down to the dosage of the product, how many times should you use it in a day? So basically you can use this product 1 to 2 times a day per nostril. If necessary, the product can be used as often as needed also, so it's not going to cause any side effects. Okay, this product is, as I told you earlier, is suitable for kids about 2 years of age and for adults. And for children below 11 years, make sure they are using it under adult supervision. Do not let your child use this spray by himself. Make sure they are using it under adult supervision. So for hygiene purposes, make sure that your one person only uses the spray. Do not share the spray with other members. It is very unhygienic. Like, you'll put the nozzle in your nose and then give it to somebody else. Very unhygienic. So please don't do that. Okay. So this is the outer part of the box. This is all the information that was there on the outer part of the box. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this product. Let's break the seal of the product and see what is the product that we get inside, how is the packaging inside. So overall packaging, it comes in a cardboard box with all the brandings and all the information, a hell lot of information here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and break the seal. Okay, I just broke the seal with my nail. Here we go. Open it. So what do we have inside? Here is the product, if you can see it. This is the product, and yes, this one is it. So this is the can which comes in. This is a spray can that has come. It's a metal can here. Again, on the can we have the GSK branding here. Then the Otrivin Breathe Clean Isotonic Nasal Spray branding here. The Otrivin branding here. What we next have here is a similar thing that was on the box. You can see daily nasal wash, washes away pollutants and germs from the nose with natural glycerine. And yeah, it's a similar info which was on the outer box is given on the bottle also. And the composition and warnings and indications. Net volume is given here. The price will be mentioned somewhere. Okay, the price is mentioned here right below at the bottom of the can. The price is mentioned. You see here, $3.35. The expiry date is given. The manufacture date. The batch number is given. So all the information is given here. So yeah, the spray can comes with a cover here on the nozzle for hygienic purposes, so that it doesn't get dirty. So you just, whenever you want to use it, you need to push up the cap and remove the cap. And then we have the nasal spray here, right? So this is a nasal spray, if you can see it. This is a button. You need to press this button to release the spray, and this is the nozzle here. So this nozzle here goes into the nostril, and this is the button which you need to press, right? So you need to do it. It has to go diagonally in the nostril. The nozzle has to be in a straight perpendicular to your hand. So basically the nozzle has to point to your eye, right, when you put it into the nostril. With the other finger you need to close the other nostril, and then you need to press this button here to release the spray. So I'll quickly just press the button and release the spray in the air. So you can see it just sprayed. So that is how this button works. Yeah, so this is the product. I'll be making another video to show you how to use it and how was my experience, what did I feel. There's a tickle inside, and what was my experience using this product. So stay tuned for that video. It will be coming up soon. Till then, this is the product which I have unboxed. This is the spray can with the nozzle. This is a cap that I got with it. So I'll put it back on top of it, and this is the product, and this is the outer packaging. This is the outer packaging of the product. Right. So this is what you get in the Otrivin Breathe Clean Daily Nasal Wash. And you should definitely use a nasal wash to keep your nose clean on a daily basis, because it will wash away all the pollutants and the germs from the nose and keep it clean and fresh. Even when your nose is blocked due to cold and allergy, you should use it to clear your nose. It will really give you a lot of relief. I've used the Otroven nasal spray, which used to come in a small bottle, and it was quite effective. So I'm really looking forward to this product to be very effective and maintaining nasal hygiene. So this is the product. I've kept a link in the description. If anybody wants to buy it, you can go and buy it from there. It's available on Amazon for $335. No discounts on that for now because it's a new product in the market. So yeah, so do let me know if you all have used it, what was your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful videos on unboxing and reviews. Guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you all want to watch more of my videos, do subscribe to my channel. And if you all have any suggestions or feedback, do let me know in the comments below.